The question's actually asking us to show that these two lines are parallel. One is y equals 3x minus 2, which means the gradient of the line is 3 because it is the coefficient in front of x. And that is what determines the gradient of the line. So this graph will look something like, so it's axes. This graph will look something like this, where the gradient is 3. So the slope of this line is 3. Now, the other equation says that 3y minus 9x, that's a terrible 9, I'll do it like that, 9x plus 5 equals 0. And all it's asking for is to show that the gradient of this line is also 3. So how can we do that? Well, we need to go and get y on its own. So we can actually add 9x to both sides and take away 5 from both sides. So we get 3y equals 9x minus 5. And then we can divide through by 3. So that y is 3x minus 5/3. And we see that we now have the same coefficient as before. We have this 3, and this graph is just translated, well, translated a little bit away from this other graph here. You can actually comment if you know by how much. That's a nice little, well, just basically a question of adding. But yeah, that is how you do this, and I hope this helps.